Hi friend, how are you? I am back again and now I am sitting in my chair under the trees. This Bhuria colony in my village looking scenery is very beautiful, very nice, and mango trees, a small mango hanging in the tree looking is very beautiful, very wonderful, like it very much. Every people like it very much in my Sindhi Bhuria colonies. This Sindhi is not available in town areas. Only meet you have people in village in my Bhuria colonies. Sindhi is very airy, fresh, clean environment and shadows, mango trees, sit in my trees and wind is slowly blowing in my Bhuria colonies. Mango trees is very fresh, very cool air, very clean, very purification environment, oxygen, get me pure oxygen, pure meet every people's air fresh, clean, no pollution, no gases. It's pure, 100% pure air in my village, Bhuria colonies. Trees and sceneries, flowers, looking nice, very beautiful, very wonderful in heaven, in the village of my Bhuria colonies. Every people like it in this sceneries very much, like it very much, very beautiful, wonderful, and thanks. Okay, bye, see you.